The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Saturday session with the placed student of Intelogik, and let's get started with this session. Thank you for the wait because of some reason the speaker, the ex-student, was facing the power issue, and that's why we could not start the session. So we appreciate your patience and thank you for the wait. So now let me have a check with the speaker. He is Gaurav, ex-student of Intelogik. Gaurav, please check your mic and please once confirm if you are able to speak. Please confirm if you are able to speak something. You can open your mic once and check if you are able to speak.
Sir, it is audible to you?
Yes, it is audible and
Hello.
yeah, it is audible. So fine. Thank you, Gaurav, for taking the time. And also there is a power issue, but still you managed to come. So thank you for the same. And guys, before I proceed, let me tell you how will be the format. It's going to be two-step format. Step number one, in very short, Gaurav is going to tell about his background and from which background he came, and apart from that, what kind of package he got, and along with that, what kind of difficulties, in short, he faced to make a career in Salesforce. A short introduction, and immediately we will go for the most important section where we will be taking one by one questions from all the other students, the audience, and they will take the benefit of Gaurav's guidance for their career. So, Gaurav, over to you. Please start with a very short introduction about your background and your journey in Salesforce.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Thank you for this, sir. Very good evening to all, and sir, you too. Actually, I am student of Intelogik, and so I recently got placed, in a very good MNC company. This is my first job in Salesforce. I got approx 11 LPA package. That is package is 11 LPA. And about my background, I'm postgraduate student and MBA passed in marketing in 2013. And so from then I worked into operations and marketing field. It's completely non-technical side, marketing and all. So that time I was not satisfied this work. So and also because of this lockdown, I lost my job. So I tried hard to get find a new job, but I couldn't find a new job because I belongs to education industry. So then after I decided I want to switch my career, my field into IT. So for this, I search a lot of courses, gone through YouTube, check, consult with other friends and all, because I want that kind of course. Course is easy and it will be easy to do, and that course does not have much coding. And then there is my one friend. He told me about the Salesforce, and this friend is also ex-student from Intelogik, Shekhar sir. Then I attend, the demo classes. I understood about the content. Uh, then I go through, understand all the contents, explain, Shekhar sir explain all the things very easily or easy way. I thought that can I do this course? And then Shekhar sir, I joined this course, And after that, Sega sir is very, his teaching is very simple. Uh, and sir teaching, from very scratch. Just like what is a variable, what is data type, what is FX coding trigger in very scratch. So it's very helpful to me to understand the coding language because I don't have any knowledge about the coding and all that, but the course which is provided by the sir, the course content, material, projects, and topic related Q&A discussion. So it's very easy and very helpful to me, for understood the coding and the Salesforce, and it's created confidence on me for doing coding. So that is my background. Hello.
Yeah, Gaurav. So thank you for the information and introduction. And let us do one thing. Now, we are going to read the questions, okay? And the questions I'm going to read one by one, and you can actually try to answer these questions to give the information for the students, okay? So there is a question
Yes, sir.
from Vishali,
Yes, sir. Yes.
and to cover maximum questions, we will keep questions and answers short because in the last such sessions we got limitations of time. So here we can try to give the multiple answers, maximum answers, and short reply. Okay. So there is a question from Vishali.
Yes, sir.
Have you given interview? You have given the interview as a fresher or experienced person?
Sir, I given an interview as a experienced person.
Okay. Next question is what topics, most of the topics you have faced repeatedly in the interview? Question by Sheikh. Repeated topics.
Okay. 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 Sir, every interviewer want some security question. They uh, I faced like interview question. What is security? What is process? Permission set, profile, that kind of questions I faced repeatedly.
Next
Hello.
is like how was your daily schedule in the preparation for interview? Your daily schedule.
Excuse me. So daily schedule, first in the morning I doing some revision for the course and the topic about the coding and all that, and then I check the um, company requirement, what the company want. Company want if the coding part is more. So I prepare according to coding. I practice on the coding, FX class trigger, and if the company required some REST class integration. So I preparation, prepare all that things according to the JD.
Okay. Next is I have hello Gaurav. I have non-IT background, 11 years of experience. I want to know following things from you. What are the challenges as a non-IT person like you generally face? And also in terms of there are in fact three questions. We'll take one question. What are the challenges as a non-IT person you will be facing?
Sir, challenges is just like I'm not a, my background is non-coding. So challenges is when the first is the coding part. Okay. So we have to practice on the coding because every interviewer asks about the right of code, parent to child, child to parent code, compound. So they ask that the questions, scenario-based questions. So we have to practice on all that. So as you provide your contents and material, so it is very helpful to us to understand. and we will also provide some projects. So also, we practice on that. So, yes, it's a difficult to understand, first what is the coding and how to write it. But daily practices, daily understanding, it's make it simple to do.
Okay. Also, Gaurav, I think some background noise is coming. Can you once please check with the mic? I think some issue is coming. Meanwhile, let me take the next question. Next,
Hello, sir. Yeah, sir.
yeah. Can you hear me?
Shekhar, sir, do you hear me? Yeah.
1 minute. Okay. Next question is how much time you have taken for preparation of interview? So Gaurav, this is for you.
Hello.
How much time you have taken for interview preparation?
Sir, I take actually at least 3 to 4 months because I understand what the interview pattern, what the interview question. I understand that first and study, and then I will totally prepare about the questions. So what and for what kind of questions the interview or company want, they ask the senior questions and admin like questions, theory questions. So it's I'll take at least 3 to 4 months
Okay.
for this.
Okay. Next is what type of certification you have done? I mean, admin, development, etc.
Yes, sir. I've done admin and also video and certificate
Okay.
because some company wants a certificate.
Hmm. Okay, got it. Next is how many interviews you have faced?
I approx faced first 5 to 6 interview I faced just a knowledge what the interview asked
Mm-hmm.
for preparation.
Okay.
Then after 3 or 2 interview I done and cracked that interview.
Okay. Do they ask about LWC questions in the interview?
Yes, sir. Every company, required admin developer and LWC. So company asked me about the LAC and LWC questions.
Okay. Next is what Sudhir is asking, what is your advice for coding practice?
Hello.
Yeah, Sudhir is asking, what is your advice for coding practice?
Okay, sir. I'm telling daily basis you have to practice and just like you are provide some content material project. So daily basis you have to work on that project. You daily basis work on just we will do codes for practice. And then after you realize you able to do this coding by yourself.
Okay. Okay. Next is what companies required from you since you were from different stream. Nivesh is asking the question like what they got benefited from you or they found important in you or any skill they like from you.
Uh, sorry, sir, I didn't get question.
Yeah,
What
so you
company?
came from other non-native background. So in this case, what skill,
Yes, yes.
what plus point in you companies saw and you got a job?
Okay. Okay. Sir, actually, what happened? Actually, my background is, marketing operation. So first, understand the company's requirement. What the company wants. If they want Apex trigger, so you have to practice. You have to practice daily basis and learn these things. Understand what the company requirement. Then you, face that will be easy to crack the interview.
Right. Okay. Next is did they ask any real-time question in the interview?
Yes, sir. They asked me, some questions, just like scenario-based questions. So, if what is trying to if write a code, so they give some situations to write a code according to situations,
Right.
and also they ask you question about your project.
Okay. Next is Rakesh is asking, I'm from BPO sector, not getting enough time to prepare. So is it okay if I quit job and prepare for Salesforce? Like you can like advise him because he's saying that my financial condition is good, I can manage. So what is your suggestion, Gaurav, for Rakesh? Should he quit the job or what you will suggest?
Okay. First thing, if Rakesh, you have to manage your personal things, financial things. So definitely, you can do the practice daily basis, and for, at least you give 8 or 9 hours for the practice. And if you are want to work somewhere and do the practice, so definitely you give some time, at least 5 in the morning. You can practice on in the morning, or after complete your shift time, so you can practice you in the night, so you can manage according to your suitable time.
Okay. Next is will interviewer ask to write the code? Samira is asking.
Yes, yes, sir. Just I told you, interview asked me to write a code on notepad and all that. They gave me one scenario to write a code when account is created, so automatically contact is updated, and they give some kind of tricky questions. So yes, they're asking about the write of code.
Okay. Next is there is a question that being a non-marketing person, you are not having any coding background. How much time daily you think a person like me should be giving after the training completion? Okay. So after training, how many hours per day you will
Okay.
recommend to a non-IT person?
Uh, Sir, after how many hours? It means if you give more time, you learn more. But if you have limited time, so at least you give, according to me, 5 to 6 hours for the
Hmm.
practice
Okay.
in daily basis.
Okay. Uh, Vamshi is asking, is certification required for getting job?
Yes, sir. Actually, some company, asking about the certification. If you are a fresher, so certificate is very important, or very important role, play the important role to get a job.
Okay. Next is after your training, after how many days you got the job after your training?
Just I told you, I actually I don't have a coding knowledge. So I give, some people get job in 1 month, 2 months, but I give myself to at least uh, 3 or 4 months for the preparation. All understand. Actually, I learn about the LWC and all that. So it's take a time for me.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. What is your daily work in the office nowadays?
Uh, Actually, as I told you, I don't have a job. I lost my job, so I just got a place in a company. So my joining from next month.
Okay, you are about to join. Okay.
So yes,
Next is there is a question: how many rounds of interviews you have to complete before getting this job?
okay. Actually, they depend on company to company. One company taking only 2 rounds. One is technical and one is HR. and some company taking 3 round, 2 round, both are technical round. So definitely, before this job, I cracked both 2 round. First is both technical round and then HR round.
Okay. You appeared as an experienced person, so don't they ask about more than one certificate? Tejaswini asking.
Sorry, if I have
Yeah,
experienced person.
so she's asking that you appeared the interview as an experienced person. So will they ask
Okay, okay.
only one certification or more than one certification as an experienced person?
No, actually, if you have experience, if you show 1 year, 2 year experience, so they're asking about your project and experience. Then after once in a time, one employer asks you about the certification. But yes, certification is very important.
There is a question from Snehal. In admin area, which topics are more important as per your interviews, whatever you attended?
Sir, admin also important. There is, lots of interview ask me about what is workflow, process builder, what is relationship, and most of the interview ask me about the, security questions, what is sharing, uh, profile, profile related questions, permission set related questions. So that is very important topic for the admin. Hello.
Okay. Next is are there any questions about flows required in interview? Uma Maheshwar asking. Flows questions.
Yes, yes, sir. Some interviewer asked me about the what is flow, relationship between the flow and process builder, and what is lightning flow. So they ask, and this is very important for admin, and we practice on daily basis. They're asking about the actions, how many actions we can run, perform in the workflow.
Okay. Next is have you completed all the lessons told in the course or you left some topics?
No, sir. Actually, as per the training and course, syllabus, say whether you complete all the topics, and after that you provide course material content. So it covers all related topics, which is very important for you know uh, to crack any interview. So daily basis I've scheduled which topics I will cover in which time. I cover all the topics related to Salesforce and development of.
Next question, is it necessary to have good English communication?
Uh, it depends, sir. Actually, it depends on the company. But if you have knowledge to speak English very well and understanding, so it is manageable. Then after you learn.
Yeah, we lost your
Hello.
voice. Yeah, now we can hear you. Yeah, now we can hear.
Actually, okay, okay. So I'll tell you one more time. Actually, it's depend on the company to company, but yes, the
Mhm.
communication skills. Every company wants a communication. Actually, my English is also not good, but it will be manageable. Understand all requirements, and when you get the job, so daily basis you understand the customer requirement, project requirement. So it is manageable, but you should improve your English.
There is one more question. Hello, Gaurav. Even I lost my job, and because of that, I'm not able to concentrate much. I'm getting upset. How you kept yourself motivated even losing the job?
Okay. Yes, definitely. In one time, I getting disappointed. But when there is one group in Telegram. When you see that there is posted, these people get job and background. So these things, that is very helpful to encourage to do, and never lose your hope. You always faith yourself and keep practicing, and keep do your work, give the interview, but one day you definitely get your and what you want, and get your result. And that, so uh, I never think about I lose or uh, I never lose my hope. Always, think positive.
Okay, good. Uh, Next, we are still having some approximately 10-12 minutes of window. So next question is that for Salesforce developer interview, can I focus more on development area rather than admin area? Snehal is asking.
Yes, if the profile is developer, so you have to focus on coding part. It means development part. Yes, you have to focus on your development part, because there is one admin also and one developer also. And if you want to career growth, so you have to practice on development part more more than admin.
Okay. Nagarjuna is asking that you said you're from marketing background, so definitely you might be having no connection to development. So how you learn development? How you started?
Just I told you, I don't have any background for coding, but the Intelogik sir, Shekhar sir, he teaching very scratch. He give very simple example for understand, and the course content is very easy to understand to do coding, and also the practice. And daily basis you uh, you know um, practice previous topic, practice on coding, so it is very helpful to you to understand.
Okay. Ajay is asking, have you taken help for resume preparation from your friend or from whom you got the guidance?
Yeah, this credit also goes to Sekar sir. He give me, after course completion, he give one-on-one discussion. So he, give a uh, idea about the what how will we prepare our resume, how to create our resume, and he also gives some projects for practice. So when done very good in your project and project, so you can mention this project in your resume, and you mention that the things which is you have very good knowledge. So yes, definitely, Shekhar sir gave me very good, help on that resume preparation.
Okay. Tejas is asking, I'm 2013 pass out, already Salesforce admin certified, 0 years of experience in Salesforce. I have no knowledge of Salesforce development, continuously failing in interview. And so, like it's a lengthy question, but yeah, this is the summary. So he's asking for recommendation. Like, what suggestion you will give him?
Yes, yes. I definitely understand his concern. Actually, you understand what the question they ask and where you fail. It means what kind of the question asking and what kind of you answer given. So main and best thing that is a practice. You have to practice. See all search content material and project, practice on project, real time project, and if you fail on, so you can join that uh, you have a internship program which is run by Intelogik or Salesforce. So you join and definitely you get the result.
There is one more question. As per your understanding of market, which is the most important certification? Because I have budget of only one certificate.
That is which one you have, that is PD and PD1 and PD2.
Okay.
That's the certification is big. At least you have one PD certificate.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, Next is we are having almost 8-9 minutes more. So Samira asking, did you go through Trailhead or you just prepared what Shekhar sir taught you and yeah, whatever class learning?
Of course, actually, I prepared lots of from Shakers are given, that core content material, course material, and also I have practiced on a Trailhead for some projects. So they both things, that both platform to help to you for achieve your target or getting a job.
Next, next is what package you can recommend me for 3 years of experience person from the market.
Okay. Uh, Actually, it's all depend on the company and your interview. But at least uh, 10, 11, 10 or 11, if you have 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, so according minimum it's a 10 to 11 lakh is minimum, and then after it's all depend on your skills and interview.
Okay. Next is as a mechanical engineer background, which one is better, like admin or developer?
Uh, it's both. As I told you, I am a marketing background. I have a zero coding knowledge, but if you think it is very easy and do properly practice, so admin and development. I suggest you focus on your development part, so you can get job and hike and good package on for this development on this.
For adding the projects and experience detail in the resume, you got the guidance or
Actually,
yeah.
I mentioned there is two projects, and that projects, I work and practice daily basis. So I create this project from scratch to coding. So it is very easy, and also Shekhar sir gave me some suggestions and guidance on that. So it is very easy to explain to interviewer what is the project, what is your work on role on that project.
Okay. Next is now there's a question. Now this is something up to you, Gaurav, whether you want to answer this question or not. If it is like normal, you can answer. But I don't think so. This question has any scope for in this session. So the student is asking, Mohit is asking, why you lost your marketing job.
Okay. Actually, in marketing, I work on education sector, and you know that in lockdown, all education sectors and all the educations are shut down. So my company, it's a startup company. So we provide some kind of courses training for the student.
Hmm.
For the class 6 standard to 7 standard coaching. So after that, all shut down. So there is no income. So the company shut down. So I lost my job that time.
Okay. Next, there's a question for the scenario-based questions and coding practice, and also for the career gap issue. Uh, did you get any kind of suggestion from Intelogik?
Yes, as I told you, this, after your course completion, first thing you practice every topic or admin topic. Sir, given you to some real-time projects, admin related project, and after complete your development part, sir, give you some projects, real-time projects. So you work on that. And if you want to fill that gap, so you can join uh, uh, their internship program for fill that gap.
Okay. Now we are having
Hello.
last. Yeah, correct. We are having last 2-3 minutes. So let me take remaining questions. Sudhir is asking, I'm experienced in non-IT 7 years. Then I want to join as a fresher. Can company take me as a fresher? And how much salary can I expect?
Okay. Uh, if you have uh, if you doing some daily practices and you have the skills, if interview asks you about the coding and you write the proper code and you have the certificate, so definitely you can offer him to 8 or 9 lakh. Every the company is having budget, so definitely they give you, and definitely you get if you have good knowledge and the skills related. If you have good knowledge about the FX class, test class, batch FX, even you have a good knowledge about the lightning, so definitely you get the 8 or 9, and even you get up to 10 lakh.
Okay, great. Have you referred all the content and knowledge given by the institute?
Uh, yes, after post completions, give me some bonus content. So daily basis, I practice on that bonus sessions and my previous sessions. So I decided, a week, in 1 hour, 2 hour, I practice these sessions or these topics, and then after 1 or 2 hour, I practice on another topic. So first admin, then develop, then writing. So I work, practice on daily basis. I decided, fix my planning in the morning, in the evening, what topic, what project uh, I have to complete it. So definitely you have to focus and practice what sir given all the course content and what you attend daily basis class. So definitely you achieve your target.
Okay. Yusuf is asking how to manage the work, means internship work, learning, lightning, also to be ready for the interviews. So in short, he's asking you about the tips of time management.
Okay, if you are working, so you have to decide how many times you give. But first you understand all the content and topic, and then you practice. You give the time period first. What daily basis first I complete admin part, and then related another development part, and then another related lightning part. Shekars are given to you, some projects, real time projects. So you really work on that. work on created admin objects, profile, then create Apex class, then create lightning. So you decide step by step. Okay, first we done what. If you want to develop, go to development part, so you practice daily basis on Apex coding, test class, trigger. So you plan or you create one chart, time by time. This time or this time I will finish or complete this task.
Excellent. And now the last question is there. So last question is that as compared to other clouds of Salesforce like Marketing Cloud, CPQ, Community, what encouraged you to go for Salesforce admin developer track?
Uh, what is encouraged? So actually, when I was joining this, so as an admin, sales cloud, service cloud, admin part, then I practiced on coding. So one day I realized coding is very easy. So that things it give me a encourage to me. So I will become a doing some good coding. So daily main cheese daily practices is very important for us, and daily basis we can revise that code content. So if you done any coding done by yourself, so definitely you get that confidence. You will be done any kind of coding. So that is the thing.
Okay, great. Yeah, so that's all with all the questions. Gaurav, thank you for giving your own experience plus your knowledge, whatever you earn in this duration for the all new people. So thank you for that. And one last answer for everyone, those who are actually thinking about Salesforce or those who are actually looking about Salesforce as their next career option. What you will recommend for them? Like what kind of positivity you see about Salesforce future, and what is your suggestion for them?
Uh, so my suggestion is that actually, as I told you, I researched lots of softwares and I uh, see lots of courses. But Salesforce is very easy for everyone who belongs to coding part, IT part, or non-IT part, because it's a very easy to understand. It's very easy to work. It is very easy to create any app, create objects, and very easy to create some trigger. So definitely, it's very easy to understand and work on that Salesforce. And in future, definitely Salesforce currently Salesforce company is very growing. So definitely in future it's more growing. And if you have good knowledge about all the Salesforce admin development and lightning, so your future you become a very good. Your future is very good, and you earn beyond your imagination. Some people get 24 lakhs, 1 crore package in Salesforce. So definitely the Salesforce having very good career in Salesforce.
Okay, yeah, great, thank you. And all the people who are having any more questions, so please contact Intelogik team, and or you can mail us, you can WhatsApp us. So we will be helping you for your any remaining additional questions you need. Our team is there, and they will help you for all the necessary guidance you need for your career building. The way Gaurav took the help from us. And Gaurav, thank you for giving your precious time. You had some technical difficulties, but still you managed to come to the meeting. So thank you for that, and we wish good luck for your bright future
Yeah.
in Salesforce. Thank you for your time.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yeah,
giving this
thank
opportunity. And
yeah,
I'm so glad, sir.
yeah. Thank you, Gaurav. My
Thank you,
own
sir.
pleasure. Yeah, and thank you everyone for attending and being the part of the session. Thank you.